name is Oscar. I'm with Spark Construction. Today I'm at claim number 4685, T as in Thomas, 237. T as in Thomas. We're on the front side. It's June 7th. It's about 90 degrees out here. We're going to go ahead and repair this shingle right here. I'm going to underline it. We have before pictures that we'll submit as well, and after pictures. In order to start this repair, I have to start by unsealing the top shingle above the damaged shingle, because that's where our nail zone is, to determine which way this shingle goes. It could go that way or it could go this way. Okay, starts right here, so it goes 1, 2, 3. So we gotta let go of this one. All right, now we have to let go of the top because this shingle that we're repairing intertwines. In order to do that, I'm gonna have to let go of this one as well. This one, and that's it. All right, so this repair, I'm gonna label nail zone 1, nail zone 2. So you guys can see what I'm talking about once I pull the shingle out. All right, so let's identify where the first nail is. All right, here's our first nail. One. Two. Three. The fourth one should be right here. 4. All right, so we let go of the first nail zone, labeled right there, N1. Nail zone 1. As you guys can see, the shingle doesn't come out. This is why we have to let go of the nail zone above, which is nail zone 2. That intertwines with this shingle. Here's our first nail. One. Two. These nails are nailed in. When you fasten the nail, it's a fasten with pressure, so obviously to remove it, I have to remove it with pressure. And then I'm missing one. Let's see where it's at. Right here. We are using our tool to try and manipulate the shingle as little as possible. If we do this correctly, it's gonna come out just smooth. As you guys can see, we have one nail zone and then the second nail zone. They intertwine, and that's why we have to let go of 2 nail zones versus just letting go of 1. If we just let go of 1, the shingle won't come out because it has that second nail above, because it intertwines with 2 shingles. We're gonna go ahead and check out our replacement shingle. We obviously try and match the color as best as we can. Obviously, it's never gonna match the same because it has had the sun impact it. As you guys can see, it's pretty close in size. It's about a 1/4 inch smaller, but it'll do it. So we're gonna go and continue doing our repair. Now I'm just gonna slide it in as gently as possible. As you guys see, the new shingle does have adhesive, so it'll be able to seal. And then I will show you a couple things that are occurring already that I'm seeing. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hammer ready. We're gonna continue using the tool. Now we're gonna use the other side of the tool because it allows us to put in the nail without manipulating the shingle too much. Bring it back down, align it. All right, it's lined up. I'm gonna go ahead and start the installation of our new shingle. Okay, got one now. The nail has to get back in there. I am using my tool. The shingle still has to be raised in order to get the nail in. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue. One. You see the height? We are using roofing nails, 1.25 inch. Put it in. Two. Last one for our first nail zone. Very hot. All right, we got our first nail zone in. Let's work on our second nail zone. One. Two. Three. And 4. So as this repair is completed, I'm gonna take after photos. You do see nail zone 1 marked as N1, nail zone 2 marked as N2, and you guys can see here what has occurred. The process of replacing this shingle. I'm gonna go ahead and if you could just show them. If you guys have any suggestions, please let us know. We do appreciate any feedback. Once again, thank you. And you can show the control box over there. Okay, thank you.